I would like to welcome you to the second public involvement meeting for the National Avenue project with limits from 39th to 1st Street. The items that I'm going to be sharing with you. Introducing team members, the background of National Avenue regarding providing roadway accessibility for all modes of transportation while investigating public concerns. The roadway scope of pavement replacement came into the project after identifying the need for addressing public concerns regarding safety and operational needs. We have initiated collecting public input, including attending several meetings. Our next step, data collection, is to move on to the second phase of design, which is producing the preferred alternatives and sharing the updates with you. What do we need from you? Your feedback, your comments, getting more involved by taking surveys. Team members are as follow. Myself, Christine Hanna, Project Manager with Wisconsin Department of Transportation. David Tapia, Project Manager with City of Milwaukee. Megan O'Connor, Support for Business Liaison with City of Milwaukee. And with us also, Kathy Goodwin, Outreach Support with Smith Group. Margaret Welsh, Outreach Support with Smith Group. Within the project limits from 39 to 1st Street, we have identified several parks, businesses, residents, and public gatherings which would have an important role into our design analysis and output. So what is pavement replacement? Remove all existing pavement and replace with new ones while replacing the curb ramps as well to meet ADA compliance. The roadway geometry and elevations are not going to change. However, existing curb and gutter will remain in place unless needed. I would like to emphasize the project goals, which are as follows. Improve safety and traffic operations, improve pavement conditions, improve pedestrian and bicyclist facilities, and improve accessibility for residents and businesses. The project team has compiled and attended public gatherings to collect surveys where the results are shown as follows. Results from round 1 from the period of 11/6/2020 to 6/30/2021. We have received 228 online completed surveys and 28 comment cards were returned. Results from round 2 from the period of 7/1/2022 to 8/15/2022. We have attended 11 public events, 238 online surveys were completed, 135 people participated, and 121 comments identified on project map with 769 reactions. The following graphs are reflecting the public input when thinking about the future of National Avenue as follows. In 2021, the most important input is to reduce speed and reckless drivers, 95%, while the least of a concern is providing street parking, 52%. In 2022, the most important input is to reduce speed and reckless drivers, 88%, while the least of a concern remained to providing street parking, 30%. Here are some examples we have utilized to collect various comments. Social Pinpoint allowed the public to highlight specific areas of concerns. Project team can directly respond and address comments that are made. Next step is providing input from the second public information meeting, collect and review the output of the traffic operations, public feedback, and engineering studies. Following the engineering studies for the traffic operation and public input, the team will work on developing the preferred alternatives and share with the public during the third PIM. Below is the project schedule, which construction and design milestones may vary from what's shown depending on the funding allocations. In 2020, we have collected public input and conducted several outreach meetings. From 2021 to early 2022, traffic analysis took place. From late 2021 to 2022, several alternatives were developed. Final plans development will take place from early 2023 until early 2025. During the design phase, various utilities identified where their relocation will take place from 2025 until end of 2026. Finally, construction is scheduled from 2026 until 2027. We need your feedback and help to continue the project development and reaching a successful project implementation. Here is how. Sign up for the project updates, participated in surveys, add your input through the mapping project, and participate in future public involvement meetings.